Hello students, good morning. We have already started a chapter equation of line. In this chapter we have learned whether the points are lies on the line or not lies on the line. Then we have learned if point lies on the line, then how we can find out the unknown variable. After that we have learned whether the lines are concurrent or not concurrent. Then we have learnt a new concept, that is the slope concept. We have learnt there how we can find out the slope when angle is given and how we can find out the slope when 2 points are given there. Then we have learned how to find out the slope of parallel line and how to find out the slope of a perpendicular line. In continuation with this slope topic, today we will learn what are the conditions for the collinearity. Now, first of all, we will recall that what is collinear, what is the meaning of the collinear. 3 points are collinear if they lie on the same straight line. Now, let's suppose A, B and C 3 points are there. They are lies on the same line. That means these 3 points are collinear point. Now, what are the conditions related to slope of collinear points? Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Or you can say that any 2 point slopes are equal. You can take AB slope is equal to slope of BC, or slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. Slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. Now for more understanding, let's take 1 or 2 example here. Now given points A, B, C. A point is 2, 3, B point is minus 5, 0, C is minus 2, A are collinear, and you have to find out the value of A. Now what you have to find out? Value of A. According to solution, given point A is there, B is there, C is there. One side you will find out the slope of AB, one side you will find out the slope of BC. Now for slope of AB, point A 2, 3, B is minus 5, 0. So point A is x1, y1 and B point is x2, y2. Same case, B point is x1, y1 and C point is x2 and y2. Now because points are there, so we will apply the point formula of slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now for AB line, because M is the symbol of slope, that's why we will represent it with the MAB. MAB 0 minus 3 upon x2 value is minus 5, x1 value is minus 2 there. When you solve this equation, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 5 minus 2, minus minus, sign of minus add the number. So minus 7 is there. Minus and minus cancel, 3 upon 7. Now for the slope of BC, y2 value is A minus 0, minus 2 plus 5. When we solve that value, minus 2 plus 5, plus minus, sign of bigger term, subtract the number. So 3 is there and A minus 0, A is there, A upon 3. Since points are collinear, that's why slopes are equal. MAB is equal to MBC. Put the value of MAB, that is 3 upon 7, value of MBC, A upon 3. Now, cross multiply. 3 3 is the 9, 7 into A, 7A. Now, 7 will go to the denominator because it is in the multiplication here. So, answer is 9 upon 7. Hence, value of A is equal to 9 upon 7 there. Now, let's take one more example in which 2 points are having the unknown variable. Now the points k, 3, 2, minus 4, minus k plus 1, minus 2 are collinear. You have to find out the value of k. Now according to solution, given points as it is there, because points are not having any name, that's why first of all we will naming the points there. Let's suppose first point is for A, k, 3. Second point is for B, 2, minus 4. Third point is for C, minus k plus 1, 2. Again points are collinear. Then we will apply the collinearity conditions. MAB is equal to MBC. So we will find out the slope of AB here, slope of BC there. Slope of AB, point A, k comma 3, point B 2 comma minus 4. Point A is for x1 and y1, point B is for x2 and y2. Same case for BC, point B is for x1, y1 and point C is for x2 and y2. Now we will apply the slope formula when points are there. M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Same case, M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now, this side we are finding the slope of line AB. That's why we have written here MAB. Y2 value minus 4, minus 3. Then x2 value is 2 and x1 value is minus k there. For MBC, y2 value is 2. Minus sign is there because y1 value is already minus 4 there. So minus and minus, it will become positive there. Minus k plus 1 minus 2. Now when we solve this equation, we are having value first side MAB is equal to minus 7 upon 2 minus k and MBC is equal to 6 upon minus k minus 1. Because points are collinear there, so MAB is equal to MBC. We will put the value of MAB here, minus 7 upon 2 minus k, MBC 6 upon minus k minus 1. We will apply the cross multiply here, minus 7 because binomial term, so we will use bracket here, minus k minus 1. Same case 6 is there, 2 minus k. Because minus 7 is outside the bracket, we will apply the arrow method here. This minus will change both sign. It both are having now positive sign. So 7 into k, 7k. 7 into 1, 7 here. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into k, 6k. Now we will collect like terms. 7k, 6k. One side 7k plus 6k and 12 is in this side. 7 will go to that side. 12 minus 7. Like terms plus plus. Sign of plus add the number 7 plus 6 13k is equal to 12 minus 7 5 is there. Now 13 is in multiplication, it will go with the division sign 5 upon 13. Hence value of k is equal to 5 upon 13. I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Now students, you will receive one link related to this topic. Go through that link also. Do more and more practice. Do your worksheet. I hope you will do. Thank you.